Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q4 of the weekly contest 273. We covered the original array. So this one, I don't really know what to make of this because honestly, it felt easier than I thought it should be. I'm not to say it's easy because this is still a hard problem, but I just don't know what the intention behind this one is. Because I think part of this problem is that the component is like given you have two n integers and let's say you're given k, right? Can you mash them up in linear time? And if you are able to solve that, and I think that is a Leetcode problem to be honest, if you're able to solve that, then you should be able to solve this one. So that's the only thing I would say. I don't see if someone can put a link below to the other Leetcode problem because I have seen that before, but I don't remember which one. But yeah, so after that, once you do that, then it's just about brute forcing and trying every possible k. Except for, of course, it's not that. I mean, it is reasonably brute force, but you still have to be a little bit careful about the brute force. There's some, so the k can only be possible, or like the only n number of possible k's, and you could kind of figure them out in any particular way. But as long as you have a k, it's fine. And that's basically what I'll go over next. But yeah, so this is the function that I talked about. This is what we would use to solve the other problem. One thing that I would say is that this is a little bit sketchy, to be honest, especially in Python because Python is just notoriously slow and n is 1,000,000. And one thing that I would do a little bit differently is actually this never changes, so I should have sorted it outside the recursion so that I save some time, especially on Leetcode and on Python because the timing is dubious. And I did this during the virtual contest, so it may be that's too slow during the contest. I don't know because they're on heavier load. The other thing is that's different than the other one is that x mod 2, if this is odd, then this is no go. The reason is because I calculate using 2 times k and not just k, so you might not need that depending on how you construct your thing. And that's pretty much it. I brute force by looking at the min number, and from the min number, the possible answer has to be the difference between the min number and another number, right? And also that other number cannot make it 0. But once you because every if you come up with a k that isn't in any of those numbers, then it will not be a possible number for the minimum number. So it has to be one of those in those way. And there you go. I just use a go here, and then after that I do construction. You can actually put the construction algorithm at the same time as the go algorithm. But the reason why I took it out, again, I reused this. That's a little bit sad. I should store it. Let me just write it like this. Let's just say is equal to and you could just say this and then sort it of this way, something like that. I don't know if this compiles, but yeah, because that never changes. Anyway, going back, the reason why I wrote down another function instead of doing in parallel is because if we do it in parallel, this gets executed every time, and I worry that that was like, I don't know, that would make the running time too slow. But if when we take it out, this only happens once. So yeah, so that's why I kind of did it this way. That's pretty much all I have. Like I said, we just brute force in a slightly clever way, and that's it. Basically, we go from min to max, meaning that this is O of n, and it what was I going to say? Oh yeah, this is greedy in the way that if you go from min to max or max to min, everything is forced, right? Because there's no other numbers to kind of choose. So in that way, yeah. And this is going to be linear time because for every number, if all the numbers are unique, this will only show up like O of n times. Especially in the way that I wrote it initially, maybe a little bit sketch, but now that we take it out, this is n log n, and this is O of. So this sorting is obviously, let me write this out, n log n. The min is also O of n, obviously. This is O of n, as we talked about, because every number gets processed once. This is O of n because we do the same algorithm as before. And this loop is O of n, so that means that in total, this is going to be O of n squared. Yeah. For time, in terms of space, this is O of n space for the counter, and maybe the set and sorted set if you like. But yeah, and the answer is also O of n, so it is what it is. And I actually added an assert force here because they tell you that there's at least one routed array, so we will find one. But I was just, I don't know, I just want to make sure that in case if something happens when I'm writing my code and there's a bug and this happens, I would know exactly what happened instead of like me not returning anything or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. And you could watch me solve it live during the virtual contest next. Iffy about this one. Okay, fine. Okay, recover the original array. Okay, let's see. How am I doing so far? About 15 minutes in, and people have already finished. Yikes. Okay. Lower sub I is raise. What does that even mean? Okay, so I guess I get the idea, but I don't even know anymore. Okay, so we have two. Okay, you have these. Oh, I see. If okay. Okay, so we could return anything. Is there some kind of sliding window type thing? So you can't just sort per se, but let's see, the max number and the min number, can we do anything about that? Or like, what is the relationship? Okay, I'm still gonna sort. Maybe we'll unsort later. Like for this problem, everything is interweaved, intertwined. There are 1,000 numbers, so in theory, we can brute force a little bit. Can we? I guess not really. You can try. Well, I guess so, right? But honestly, I don't know if this will run in Python, but I think actually that's it, right? It's just brute force trying and then see if it works. I'm gonna try in Python. To be honest, I'm not super confident that it will run in Python. Even will take a million operations, but yeah. Yeah, okay. So actually, I don't need this. Do I? Okay, has to be positive. Actually, that makes it a lot easier for me to write. I was going to do some funkier math, but and then now, yeah, okay, and go of x, and then first we have. Does that work? I always never know whether certain things works. Yeah, okay. How do I do a copy of a counter? Deep copy. Okay, whatever. This would now make it even slower, so we'll see. Yeah, okay, fine. I mean, this is n squared, which is a little bit tight, so we'll see. Okay. We did need a weight sorted after all. Actually, I was wrong. How am I implementing this? I mean, I have the idea, but I'm doing it in a funky way. Actually, I guess I don't need it sort of like this. What I want is actually sorted current.keys, and then for x and this. Do I go up or do I go down? I guess I go up. Okay. So current sub. If current one. Otherwise, current. I guess I didn't do it this way. They tell you that it's not possible, so yeah. Yeah, I'm writing this slowly, but that's fine. Guess I could have done that here, actually. Actually, I may be wrong on this one. I mean, it's right, but I have to make sure that this is a even number, because I have to get the middle number. So then now, okay, fine. Let's just do it the other way. Also, I think I could use the walrus here, but and then here, okay, empty, and then here. Yeah, I better do it at the end. No, yeah, it's annoying, but okay, fine. Yeah, let's just reconstruct it. I can't make up my mind, but I'm just thinking about the performance profile, and I worried about it a little bit. That's why. Well, I can't be affording asserting if this is right. So whatever. Y plus x over 2. This times delta. Okay, so that was very slow, to be honest. But wait, what am I returning? Did I mess up? What am I returning? The original number, right? Or why am I returning the original? Am I Huh? Oh, I don't return anything. No, I return it here. Wait, what? Am I doing the right thing ever? Okay, so I am constructing it weird. Oh, because delta can be 0. But if delta is 0, then we don't do anything. Wait, what? Oh, why is x 0? Oh, because it's the first case where this is true. That's the thing that I meant to do, but that was silly. Okay. Let's go. I worry about time limit, but we'll see if that's fast enough. The crappy thing is that in other languages, I know that this will be fast enough. But in Python, I always have to worry a little bit. Yeah, hey, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord, especially if you like these contest forums. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.